Dear defense aspirants, you all are aware that government has taken a decision to not allow the educational institutions to open before 15th of August. We are also aware that the SSB call letters for those candidates who have cleared the written exam will commence from the first week of July. So therefore, it will not be possible for us to run offline courses for you, and hence we have decided to start our online courses from 15th of June, that is coming Monday, and the duration of this course will be 6 days. It will be a properly structured program, almost on the same lines as you would have done offline. The breakdown of the program will be as follows. On the first day, we will have an introductory class pertaining to the SSB process, followed by briefing on OIR test, and then you will be put through an OIR test and a detailed explanation will be given to you after you would have attempted that. Thereafter, you will be given a detailed briefing about the nuances of attempting the PPDT or the picture perception and description test. Thereafter, a PPDT will be conducted for you and you will be given a feedback. On the second day, classes on interview technique will be conducted, wherein you will be first explained as to how to fill up your PIQ form and the mistakes which commonly candidates make, followed by a presentation on the interview technique, and a mock interview would be conducted for one of the candidates. Thereafter, each candidate will be interviewed separately in the evening, turn by turn, by an interviewing officer. On the third day, we will be having classes on the psychological tests, briefing on all the 4 activities, that is the TAT, the WAT, the SRT, and self-description test will be given to you. After this briefing, you will be given certain examples that you are able to relate with the briefing, and a small test will be given to you which you will attempt, and thereafter interaction with us will be carried out so that you are explained as to what mistakes you make as we evaluate the dossier that you would have written. Thereafter, another test will be given to you that you can practice in your own time, and of course you are always free to interact with us and clarify any doubts pertaining to that particular site test that we would have given to you. On the fourth day, you will be put through certain GTO tasks. Firstly, the briefing for group discussion and lecturate will be given to you, and then you will be put through a physical GD and a lecturate, followed by a detailed briefing on group planning exercise, and of course a GP will be conducted for you all on this particular day. On the next day, you will be put through the other tasks of the GTO series, like the PGT, the half group tasks, command tasks, and various other physical activities like the snake race and the individual obstacles. So you will be given a detailed briefing about all these tests, as also videos will be shown to you pertaining to how those tests are physically conducted on the ground. And of course, you will be free to interact with us and clarify any doubts that you may have pertaining to these activities. On the last day, on the 6th day, we will be carrying out an interactive session with you all, which will be more of a doubt clearing session as well as a counseling session, where we will be able to highlight the mistakes that commonly candidates make, and you will be absolutely free to interact with us and clarify any doubts that you may have. So this will be the schedule of this 6-day program. We are starting the batches from Monday, that is on 15th June. We will not exceed the number of students per batch to 15, so that we are able to give a personalized feedback to every candidate. So please make sure that you register earliest, because it is going to be on first come first serve basis, and in case you are unable to find a seat for yourself on 15th June, then the next batch will start on 22nd June. So that means every Monday a new batch will start, and you are free to see which batch you would like to join up. Now, I will be sending you a mobile number on which you can register yourself. You could note it down. The number is 9465176 So on this number, you can call up. It's Lieutenant Vijay Kumar's number, and you can register for the course. The total cost for this 6 days program, including all the material that we would be sharing with you, is 5,000 rupees. So if you wish to enroll for this, please do not delay, because then you may not find a seat in this course. It will be first come, first serve basis. Thank you so much. Looking forward to interacting with you all. All the best.